Hey construction crew, welcome back. Today we're settling the ultimate heavy equipment debate, bulldozer versus excavator. Both are job site essentials, but choosing the wrong one can cost you time and money. Let's break it down. Bulldozers are your go-to for pushing power. With that massive blade up front, they excel at moving large amounts of material across flat surfaces. Think land clearing, rough grading, and pushing fill dirt. They're incredibly stable, can work on slopes up to 45 degrees, and are perfect for creating access roads and building paths. But here's what bulldozers can't do well. They can't dig below ground level, they struggle with precision work, and they're not great at loading trucks or placing materials in specific locations. Excavators are the precision artists. That articulated arm and bucket make them masters of digging, trenching, and material handling. They can dig below grade, reach over obstacles, and place materials exactly where you need them. Plus, with different attachments, they become incredibly versatile tools. However, excavators aren't efficient at moving material long distances. They work in a fixed radius around their position and need to reposition frequently for large area work. So which one wins? For site preparation and rough grading, bulldozer takes it. For foundations, utilities, and precision work, excavator dominates. For loading trucks, excavator wins. For pushing material across the site, bulldozer every time. Here's the truth most contractors know. The best projects use both. Bulldozers create the rough shape, excavators handle the details. They're not competitors, they're teammates. Still not sure which machine your project needs? That's where experience matters. At M&M General Contracting, we help you choose the right equipment mix to get your job done efficiently and on budget. Subscribe for more equipment insights. Hit the like button if this helped, and drop a comment. Are you Team Bulldozer or Team Excavator? Thanks for watching.